Imagine waking up in a spaceship alone. You just wake up from a coma and you don't even remember your own name. That's exactly the premise of this book. I'm talking about this book, which is none other than Project Hail Mary by Andy Weir. Recently, the movie is also released, which is starred by our favorite Ryan Gosling. So, everyone has been raving about this book, and let me tell you, it is so worth it. So, firstly, I'll quickly just do the review without spoilers, spoiler free review, and then I'll jump into spoilers. So, just watch out. I'll even have written spoilers. I will even write spoilers when I'm discussing the spoilers section. So our book revolves around this high school teacher whose name is Ryland Grace, high school science teacher. So he is one day approached by the space agency. They're like, see, the earth is facing a really big problem and we need a solution. We are forming a research team and we need to send a few people into the space who can solve this problem. And they choose him as one of their guys who is part of this research team. Eventually, he is sent into the space, and when he wakes up from the coma in space, he just doesn't remember anything at all, not even his name, where is he, why is he sent there. So as the time passes, slowly he keeps on getting his memories back. He keeps on remembering one and the other thing. And then he's like, oh, this is what I'm sent for. I need to save the earth. The entire planet is in my hands now. It depends on me. So what actually the problem here is, there's something called as astrophage. This is some kind of a living being which is draining the energy from sun. It's literally taking all the heat energy from the sun. So earth is not getting enough heat year by year, the amount of heat is getting reduced. So within a few decades, the earth is going to be completely frozen. So that is the problem we are facing. I think at some point in the book, the scientists and the researchers are like, we need to induce some form of climate change right now in order to reverse this cooling process. That's insane. So when our character goes into the space, he comes across this alien named as Rocky, which everyone loves. I don't want to give too many spoilers regarding this, but our human and alien has one of the best relationships ever. All their interactions are so beautiful and just... So the entire premise is about how our character finds the solutions in order to save our Earth. And also there are a lot of science stuff in this book which is explained in very such detailed and clear and easy way. Even if you're someone who is if you're intimidated, maybe I won't understand, this is a sci-fi book, you need not be intimidated at all. Every single detail is explained in such a clear and easy way. It's going to be fun, just trust me. If you're someone who is a fan of science fiction, you should definitely read this without missing it. I gave it 5 out of 5 stars and it is easily a 5-star read for me. Now even I am interested what more other sci-fi books are there out there. I'm not a big sci-fi reader or something, but now I'm very interested in it. If you have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, now let's jump into the spoilers section. I have warned you, if you haven't read the book yet or if you haven't watched the movie yet, there are going to be spoilers from here. If you don't care about the spoilers, you can continue, up to you. But yeah, I'm beginning now. Okay, firstly, can we talk about Rocky before anything else? I never thought I would fall in love with an alien creature so much, that too a Rocky, literally named after a rock. The interactions between Ryland and Rocky just amaze. And there were so many emotional interactions as well. I was not expecting to cry over an alien. Are you kidding me? And I know I'm not the only one in this. Lot of other people have cried over Rocky, and it's so cute. And also the twist at the end, Ryland didn't even wanted to go to the space. He was forced to go to space. I was like, oh my god, how is it? I did not expect it to unfold this way. That was really surprising. Something stood out before me, that first time when Rocky meets Ryland and he's like, my entire crew has died in the mission. And then Ryland explains to him why it might have happened. That was so sad. I couldn't imagine, can you imagine just going at a mission with a team of maybe 20-30 people, and then you are the only one who survives and you don't even know what the reason is for all of them to be dead. That has to be such a lonely endeavor. I felt for Rocky so much in that moment. And then in the end, I did not expect for Ryland to stay back in the alien planet at all. Who would have guessed it? And he just stays there to teach those alien creatures. It's wow. I don't know. It's just so emotional for me. I've also heard some great reviews about the movie. Also, I'm yet to see the movie. Let me know in the comments if you have seen the movie, whether you liked it or not. Also, if you liked the book, what are all some of the moments which stood out for you? And if you have any sci-fi recommendations for me, please do let me know. See you in the next one. Bye bye.